I eat breakfast at 7. I eat breakfast at 7. I shop on Saturday. I shop on Saturday.
I arrive home at night. I arrive home at night.
I go to a restaurant on Friday. I go to a restaurant on Friday. I go to bed at 10. I go to bed at 10.
I work on Monday. I work on Monday.
I cook dinner at 6:30. I cook dinner at 6:30. I take the bus in the morning. I take the bus in the morning.
I wake up at 6. I wake up at 6.
I am busy in the afternoon. I am busy in the afternoon. I buy food at noon. I buy food at noon.
I feel tired in the evening. I feel tired in the evening.
I meet my friend at 7. I meet my friend at 7. I drive to work at 7:30. I drive to work at 7:30.
I stay home in winter. I stay home in winter.
I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning. I go home at night. I go home at night.
I travel on my birthday. I travel on my birthday.
I study English in the afternoon. I study English in the afternoon. I leave home at 8. I leave home at 8.
I meet my friend at noon. I meet my friend at noon.
I stay home on holidays. I stay home on holidays.
I relax in the evening. I relax in the evening.